with a heat wave incoming, let's get some water and fertilizer into all of these plants. Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Happy Monday to you. Monday the 6th of July 2026, and it's day 141 of the Chilli grow up. 28 degrees today. Blazing sun. And we got a heat wave coming for the next few days where it'll be over 30 degrees. So for right today, now some of these did get water and fertilizer yesterday, but as you can see the soil's super dry, and especially with some of these like along here, everything's ready for a drink, right? Everybody needs some food and water. So parched the soil is super dry on top, so that's the indicator I look for. So we can check each plant as I'm giving it some water and fertilizer. Other than that, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're having a lovely Monday, lovely start to your week. I hope the weather's just as lovely here as it is for you. Little Lucy's just been out for a bathroom break, so I popped her back inside, even though we were outside for 2 minutes, 3 minutes. This heat's a little bit too much for her. A bit too much for me, to be honest. Us British, we're not adapted to this weather. But what can you do? Just day by day and survive, right? Let's do this. Let's get them all fed and watered. Let's get into day 141. An egg, madam. Okay, so this equals 32 litres with a full 6 litre watering can. So I think this may be enough. If it's not, maybe off by about 2 litres, 4 litres. I just want to see how much. So hopefully 32 litres will be just enough water and fertiliser for all of the plants. Let's see what happens. See if I need more, less, or if it's just right. Let's start with our recent smaller plants. So there's our Mirch masalas. That's the Carolina Reaper. Here's a ghost pepper. Another ghost pepper. And the Kashmiri Mirch. We've got the mysteries here. And the other mystery. Mirch masalas. Some more Mirch masalas. Another Mirch masala. And final Mirch masala. Scotch Bonnet MOA. And another Scotch Bonnet MOA. Kashmiri Mirch. Cayenne. Dreamcatcher. Kashmiri Mirch. Large orange tie. Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. Armageddon. Cayenne. Armageddon. Branch. Cayenne. Tabasco. Zibrange with a copper coil. Jalapeño with a copper coil. Carolina Reaper with a copper coil. The Padron. Mirch Masala. Dreamcatcher. Armageddon with a copper coil. Habanero. Dreamcatcher. Mirch Masala. Cayenne with a copper coil. Carolina Reaper. Cayenne. The Overwintered Cayenne with a copper coil. Ghost pepper. Black Jalapeno. Sweet banana. Scotch Bonnet MOA. Scotch Bonnet MOA. Armageddon. Here's that mystery seed. Tabasco. Buena Mulata. Cayenne with a copper coil. Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. Zibrange. Kashmiri Mirch with a copper coil. Padron with a copper coil. Tabasco. Buena Mulata. Poblano with a copper coil. Black Jalapeno. Habanero. Kashmiri Mirch. Jalapeno. Zibrange. Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. Carolina Reaper. Zimbabwe Black. Large orange tie. Ghost pepper. I think that's all done, isn't it, Go? All finished? Yeah. That completes day 141, everybody. Every plant we've gone through, and they've all had some water and fertilizer. So they're all set for the next couple of days. This heat wave's supposed to be 3 days, so we'll check on them. They might need a bit of just plain water, probably halfway through that, but we'll check the soil and see. But yeah, that wraps up the day, and I think they're all looking great. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong. No issues. Starting to get some flowers. Yeah, everything's looking lovely. You agree, kid? You are falling asleep in this heat, aren't you? Yep. Alright. That wraps the day up, everybody. Thank you all so much for joining us. You take care of yourselves. Make sure you look after me, myself, and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Have a wonderful, wonderful Monday. We'll see you tomorrow. See you Tuesday for day 142. Thank you. Bye-bye.